Hey friends, if two finger scroll is not working on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process to fix it. Search for touchpad in the Windows search bar and then go to touchpad settings. Wait till the page loads. Now expand the list for this option here which says scroll and zoom. Okay. Now what allows you to scroll? It says drag two fingers to scroll. If it is unchecked, two finger scroll will not work. Make sure that it is checked. So this is the main solution. If this doesn't help, then straight away search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list for mice and other pointing devices. Right click and update the drivers. Okay. And other than this, you can obviously clean the touchpad hardware. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.